What's up, guys? So today we're going to be installing some taillights on my car. So I'm getting her prepped. We just did a coilover install on Flo's car. That's WRX Flo on Instagram, and he's sitting pretty low now. Came out pretty good. Looks like it's going to rain today. Really cloudy. It's getting windy. I'm going to go ahead and hand over the camera to Flo, and he's going to record this process here. So SpecD taillights going in today. Been waiting all week to do this. So we got to remove the trunk liners and stuff. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Just get it out of the way. So I believe these are clips. If you don't have the cargo net, it's just like a couple of clips that you take off. I have the net, so I gotta unscrew these bolts. Should pop up. Just gotta take this clip off for the taillight harness.
How do I put it into focus if it does it kind of go blurry near you?
Oh, okay. Yeah, it does that.
Just kind of zoom in and out.
Just get back a little bit. So it looks like 3, maybe 8 millimeters. But since I'm kind of lazy, I'm just gonna use my crescent wrench. And I had somebody ask me too on Instagram whether or not I was gonna have to tap into the new tail lights. I don't think I will, just because for the F1 light, the F1 light is wired into the harness that goes before the tail lights, so it should be just plug and play. So that's 1 nut, 2 nuts, 3 nuts here. This should just slide out, theoretically. This. Alright, that's the old unit there. Set this to the side. And, here's our new headlight here. So it looks like the harness is just plug and play. I'm not sure what these 2 wires are. Looks like they have some type of connector. I don't know what they would go to, but I believe it should just be straight plug and play. So just slide this thing right into this white clip over here. That'll kind of hold it in place back here, and it should line up pretty well. That's it. And then go ahead and put your screws back on, just the same way it came out.
Easier than the coils.
Easier than the coilovers we just did, that's for damn sure. Even though the coilovers weren't that hard. But look at that, man.
There's a before.
Huge difference. looks way better.
Yeah.
And, don't mind my car, it's a little bit dirty. Haven't washed it in a while. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn on the car just to make sure it works, verify that it's working fine. I'll have Flo let me know if it works or not.
Let's do it. Woo!
Can you turn on? So I'll turn the headlights on. That should bring them on. And I got a left signal. And then look at the difference. The right signal. And then this is the brake light here. Is it good? Nice. So everything works?
Yeah. Reverse.
Here goes the reverse.
Ooh. There it is.
Alright. Awesome.
Damn,
So
dude.
excited to
That
see
looks good, man.
Alright, and then the other side is going to be the exact same thing. Pretty straightforward. So just take this. You don't have to take everything off completely. Just this one clip right here. That should give you the access that you need. Cool. So then same procedure on this side. Just pull this baby off. Gives you enough room. Pop out the tail light harness. Undo the screws. Oh, so that's what these are for. Maybe I should have read the instructions beforehand. This is going to be to slow down the signal lights, I bet.
Oh yeah, I was about to say they are pretty fast.
Doesn't say which wire goes to which, but I'm gonna say black goes to black and red would go to yellow maybe. And this is just gonna be probably for the turn signals because they do blink really fast. They've supplied double-sided tape on it, and it just says to
You want to check it out? It turned black again.
huh?
You want to check it out because it turns black and then it pops back on.
Oh, okay.
Is
I'm
that
just
normal?
gonna go ahead and yeah, I think so. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick this on the side there, and let me know if that turn signal slows down. I think that's what it's for.
Yeah. You want to check it out?
Yeah, that's definitely what it's for. So without the resistor, it was just flashing super fast. Cool.
That's good.
And same procedure on the other side. Alright guys, so we got them both installed now. We're gonna run through the functions test, make sure we get them both. So I'm just gonna run through the the headlight, the on operation, then the left signal, right signal, the brakes, and then the reverse. Let me know, Flo.
Gotcha.
On.
On.
Here goes the brake.
The brake lights.
Yeah.
All right, left signal.
Left signal.
Yeah.
Right signal.
Right signal.
Yeah.
Emergency.
Yep.
And reverse.
Yep.
It's really sweet. Down.
All right. I'm gonna get some cinematics.